welcome back to my channel. I'm Holly, and as if you can't tell, I am a little under the weather. The box that I'm bringing you is a very time-sensitive box, so I have no choice but to bring this box to you. I do not feel very good, but I need to get this box done. So the name of this box is Succulents box, and by the name I guess you can understand why it's very imperative that I get this box done. Today is Monday, July 22nd. I have been sick since July 17th. So for 5 days now I've been sick. That is why it's very important that I get this box done. I have been out of town since the 17th, since the day that I got sick. I had the person that was watching my dog open the box because, well, they're succulents. They have to have sunshine. They love sunshine, so I had to have them open the box for me. And so we're just gonna get right into this box. I went ahead and brought up the information on the box. So the box is, like I said, a succulents box, and you can get one succulent a month for $4.75. Now that is a heck of a deal. And you can get one air plant for $6.16 a month. Now, an air plant, I've had an air plant for like 20 years. I don't even pay it any mind, and it is still with me. It's perfect for those of us that don't have a green thumb. I have a half a green thumb. I love my air plant. I can go away for weeks at a time and come back and it still loves me. It's perfect for me. I love my air plants and my succulents. They are perfect for me, and I'm perfect for them. So if you don't have much of a green thumb, this box is for you. You can get 2 succulents a month for $9.50. Also an awesome, awesome deal. You can get 3 succulents a month for $14.25, or you can get the box that I received, 4 succulents a month for $19 a month. So, I mean, this box is just like a no-brainer. This box is perfect. It comes from California. I mean, I love just the idea of this box. I can't wait to see the succulents that she has sent me, and I hope and pray that they're beautiful. I mean, I don't even have to hope and pray. I'm pretty sure that they're beautiful because I've been in constant contact with the curator of this box, and I'm just thankful that she reached out to me and sent me this box because they're my favorite plant, because they don't require a lot of thought from me. I just have to remember to water them every once in a while, and that's okay with me, you know? I'm just kind of a no-nonsense girl, and they're a no-nonsense plant, so we're a perfect match. So let's get into this box. Okay, so like I said, it was already previously opened because, well, I was out of town, but here's what the box looks like. And I had my mother open it, so she loves succulents too. And like I said, I apologize for the voice. Not much I could do about it, and I hope the heck you can understand me. There's what it looks like when you open it up. And there's our 4 wonderful little succulents. And then we have our paperwork in the back side. And every box comes with care instructions. And then it says 15% off your first order on our website, and it says use the code LOVEPLANTS. That's what it looks like up close and personal. And then it says please carefully and gently remove the packaging materials. Don't put the plants in sunlight immediately, which I did not have my mother do. They need to be acclimated to sunlight gradually. Keep the plants in the shade or in direct sunlight. Slowly introduce them to sunlight. Today is the first day that I actually put them in actual lighting. They were in like house light for the first couple of days. Succulents prefer daytime temperatures between 70 and 85 degrees and nighttime temperatures between 50 and 55 degrees. Make sure you give your plants some shade in case of extremely hot temperatures. And we were in a extreme heat warning here in upstate New York. It got up to a real feel of about 106 degrees here yesterday. And I want to tell you what, I thought that I lived in, I don't even know, I thought I lived in this on the sun yesterday. It was horrible here yesterday. Absolutely horrible. And then it says water only when the soil is dry. That is why I love these plants. In the summer, water the plant generously every 1 to 2 weeks. During the winter, when the plants go dormant, cut watering back to once a month. Like I said, my kind of plant. I love these plants. If you have other questions, please do not hesitate to convo us. If you receive your order and there is any problem whatsoever, please contact us within 24 hours. We'll do our best to make it right for you. With love, the Succulent Box team. I love that you can reach out to them at any point in time, whether it be a month down the road. If you're having a problem with your plant, you can reach out to them and they will help you out. That is what I call some serious plant love. And then, of course, they send you a receipt for your plants. So let's get into this box. Let me see what we received. So they come wrapped up in plastic so that no harm comes to your wonderful little plant. And we are not going to fight and argue with our little plant plastic here. I'm hoping we're not going to anyway. Oh, well, we are going to get dirt everywhere. That is what is going to happen to me today. Because I do not feel good, we are going to get dirt everywhere. I just do not want to destroy the plant. But we are going to get dirt everywhere. That's what we're going to do. Okay, here is what the first one looks like. Isn't that just a cutie? I gave him a little bit of water. He was pretty dry. He was pretty dry. Very cute. I just love that. He was pretty dry, so I gave him a little bit of water. He's very cute. Looks like a hen and chicken. I think that's what it's called, hens and chicken. Very cute. These are really very versatile, vibrant, like wonderful succulents. I love these ones. Okay, on to the next one. Let's see. I found my cutter, so we're not going to be here all afternoon trying to get into these ones. Let's see here. Cut it. Because they are really packaged pretty good. You will not have to worry about anything happening to your plant, because they are packaged really well. Very, very well packaged. Alrighty. Now let's see here. Let's see. Be right back. Okay, I got that one open. This one gave me quite the time. I had to put some water in this one too. This one was quite dry. Make sure the water didn't drip. But there's that one. This one was a little drier than that one. That one is cute. It reminds me of little toes. That one's quite cute. Okay, on to the next one. Alrighty. Okay, let's figure out. There we go. That one that way. I do like how they're very well packaged. I do like that. Oh, I can see some. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, isn't that just darling? So cute. Kind of looks like that one. Kinda. A little darker green, but it's kind of cute too. Oh, that's so cute. Looks like fingers. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, and we got one more. You know, it's just kind of a quicker video, but it's still cute. Kind of a perfect video because I don't really feel good, so. Perfect video. Aww. Oh no, I dropped it. Oh no, oh no. Oh, it's safe, it's safe. It's okay. Get back up there. Oh, this one looks like, nope, 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 none of them are the same. Isn't that cute? Oh, it's so cute. Let's see if I can pick them all up at the same time. Let's see. Maybe I can. All right, let's see. Lego paper. There we go. You can do it. There we go. Aren't they so cute? I just love this. That is gorgeous. A little piece of the desert right in my own home. I just think that they are gorgeous. I love it. I absolutely love it. Oh, they are so cute. Gorgeous. I love it. So, let me know what you guys think. Would you order a box like this? Because I don't have a green thumb, so this is a perfect box for me. I never could grow like houseplants or anything like that, so I always lean towards like aloe plants or cactus. I have a cactus, I don't know, probably 3 feet tall. It's huge because I can grow a cactus. I can't grow a normal house plant because I kill it. Honestly, I can kill a plant in a week. I can. I am being honest with you ladies. I can kill a plant in no time flat. I am that good. Yes, I am. I am so good at killing house plants. I really am. I just don't have a green thumb. I just don't. So, if you would like to get your hands or thumbs, green thumbs, on a succulents box, well, I'll leave the link down below so that you can head on over to Cratejoy and get your own succulents box or an air plant and have it delivered to your home. Wait, let me start over. So, if you would like to get your own, I got dirt all over me. All right, guys, and get your own succulents box delivered to your home once a month. I'll leave the link down below for you to head on over to Cratejoy and order your own succulents box. And that is it for this video. And I will see you next time in my next video. And my apologies again for my frog voice. I don't know. It is what it is. We all get sick. We're human. I don't know. All right, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye now.